Hey guys, it's Mat.C here. Just making a video to help someone out. So, you want to pull that yellow fuse here. Let me point at it. I don't know if I can. So you want to pull this one. Can't really see. My hand's too white. So that's the one you want to pull. That one right there. Once you pull that, it'll say 20 on it. Take it out. You can wait 5 minutes for good measure. You don't have to. Put it back in. Turn your car on and that should work. So yeah, that's it. Put that back on and then you're good to go. Turn your car on and your radio should be unlocked. Hopefully. So yeah, have a good day and take care, guys.